You are going to love the 2020 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, center console with lighting, one-touch windows, 4. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.